Douglas Partners is a geotechnical consultancy firm. We practice in the areas of environmental, groundwater and geotechnics. We have about 530 staff across Australia, and the Sydney office is a major part of our operation. We have about 130 staff here.
Some of the requirements that Douglas Partners had from the outset were an increase in natural light throughout the building for their staff, more greenery throughout the spaces, a more welcoming reception, and more facilities for breakouts, more entertaining spaces for staff, spaces for staff to gather once a month for drinks, and also improved boardroom spaces. So for a client-facing aspect, that was very important to them as well.
When we really got cracking with Esteem and appointed Esteem, the building program was, in any phrase, really accelerated, and we were really happy with that because Esteem were doing a lot of the work while we were resting over our Christmas close down. The construction industry typically closes down. Esteem was able to work with us and do a lot of work with their tradesmen while we were had the office closed. So when you consider that the whole construction program, or the bulk of the construction program, was probably completed in about 12 weeks, it's a very good outcome.
So with any project, I feel that the finishing touches are important, but also the finishes that you use throughout. So the details of the reception, the finishes we chose for the counter, which was a mix of marble, natural timber, bringing in greenery into the reception area, but also having a focal point where we brought in a big graphic on the wall, really helped pull that area together.
The entryway is definitely a huge improvement with the timber and just the ambience of that entryway. It doesn't look like an industrial warehouse anymore. It looks like a proper office.
So we wanted a facade that was made a clear statement. There was no ambiguity about the front door because we have a number of entrances. We wanted to make a clear statement about this is the front door where you would come if you're here to meet with a professional consultant. We wanted it to be smart and contemporary, and we're very happy with the appearance now that we've got at the front door. It's just a sense of pride, not only for our staff, but for the people from our interstate offices that come to visit us, that really see the front entrance and say, wow, that's some nice sparkle you've got there.
Yeah, really pleased. Actually, I think it's a nice, fresh, open look, and the mood has really changed. Our staff are really happy with the new space. It's very good.